All right, I know you're being amazing with these. These are so amazing and it seems a little slow and it's probably redundant, but I still see some students making some mistakes. So I want us to make sure go slow. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. And if you need to, if I'm going too fast, stop the video, rewind, go back and get all the help if you need. If you still have a question, ask your question, ask all the questions until everything makes sense. That's what we're here for. We need your questions. We love your questions more than your answers. Okay, so when you see a table like this and you know you're going to be completing a graph, I want you to just kind of think of this as your X column and this is your Y column. Why? All right. Why do I teach math? Why? Why do I learn math? Why? Oh, I have all the answers for those. All right. So we're taking this number 15, we're adding it to 2. That gives you 17. I noticed that I have 15 here and they added 4 and that gave me 19. So I'm going to just go down the table. So this actually, before I keep going and I'm going too fast, I'm going to make this is my first ordered pair, 17, 19. This is X dot. That's how we plot the X, and this will be your Y. Okay, so I'm going to come here. Let's go to the next number. 16 plus 2 is going to be 18, and you can see the pattern coming up right away. 16 plus 4, that's going to be 20, and this will be your next set of pairs that we're going to graph. And then you do the same thing, 17 plus 2, 19. 17 plus 4, 21. And you keep going. This is your next graph. So keep going. You're going to do 18, 19, 20. All right, we can't wait. We're going to see all this work on your paper. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to take this first set and you're going to graph. This is what it means when we're graphing. Remember, this is the side to side. This is your X axis, and then the up and down is your Y axis. And we always run, this is your run, before we jump. Only in 5th grade, right? When you get into the bigger rooms or the bigger grades, you're going to have 4 quadrants and they're going to have their own special rules. But for this year, you're only running first and then jumping. Okay, so we're going to run the X axis here. It's wanting us to graph this first pair, 17, 19. So run on the graph on the X axis to 17. There's 17. Don't put a dot here. Don't put anything on here. You only should have 1 dot for each set because I'm still seeing like 2 and 3 different sets. So I have 17 and then it's Y is going to go up to 19. So 17, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And where the 2 lines are intersecting or meeting, that's where you put your first dot. Okay, so let's do this one. 18, 20. We run on the X axis. And then we go up the Y axis to 20. And then where the 2 lines meet, that's where you're going to put the 2 dots. So you have, and then let's do the next one. So we're running to the 19 and then we're jumping to 21. Okay. And you can kind of see the pattern emerging here. You see the pattern emerging here and you see the pattern emerging here. Well done. I'm so happy to be back. We cannot wait to see your beautiful graphs. And then, of course, because we love you, we're giving you a big heart here. Give us one too.